All right, this one's for my Chinese mini excavator owners, the upgrade club, if you will. I was having troubles with the choke, pulling it up and not being able to push it back down. There was corrosion or something on there. So anyway, I bought these little clips. It's like there's adjustable clips here. Right, you can see exactly how they work. Okay, very easy to install and put on. These are just self-tapping screws. Right, they're galvanized screws, so hopefully they'll last for a little while. Self-tappers, just put these where I wanted them, and then held it in place. Put the self-tapper screws in on both of them. Kind of try to make them look even on both sides. And then over here on the other side, I did all this before I took the screws out of this here. And then I just put two hinges over here. I like two screws, I know. Put the hinges over here, lined them up, middle. And again, self-tapper screws. And then after I did that, I came in here and took off all the bolts. There were two up here, one on each side. And just right below it, there's another one down there, and same on the other side, one right down there. And then there's two more that hold it on the sides. It's easier for me to show you out here. There's a bolt here, one here, one here, one there, and again on this side, one here, one there. So it's a total of 2, 4, 6, 8 bolts you have to take out to get this off, in order to easily access your engine compartment if you need to work on it, replace something. So after I put that on, took the bolts out, aligned everything up, unhooked it, and it wound up coming fairly quick because it opens up, boom, you have a hood, you can get access to everything. See, this is what I was having problems with. My choke cables got a little corrosion on it there, a little white corrosion, I guess just from the rain or something. And obviously my cable was down like that, so that's way too much of a sharp 90 to try to get that cable to pull and push through there. So the whole reason was to fix that. But then it came about this, and I didn't want to move on to another project without putting this out there for, again, you mini excavator owners. Chinese style, that doesn't come with the hood. Here you go. Now when I set all this together, put all this together, I didn't raise it up to where it's going to be up off of this bumper here. I wanted it still attached, to where it slides across on the bumper, and yes, it will wear and tear over time, but then just come over here, latch it, started it up. There's no extra rattling or anything that I heard, nothing different. It runs just the same, and there you go. It's an occasional rattle from the seat, but that's it. And I also took somebody's advice. Having these fans, they are reversible fans, positive to negative, blows one way, you switch them, it'll suck the other way. So I have this one sucking air in over here by this hydraulic filter, kind of keep it cooler, and then this one blowing out. Right above the hydraulic pump, so it blows out there. So I hope this video helps you guys decide on putting this here. This actually having a hood is really nice. It's really nice. It's open, you can get to everything. Oil changes will be easier. It didn't take me 15 minutes, y'all, to put this thing together and to do it like this. And it's just these little clips right here. I got these off of Amazon. You could get them at your local hardware store, I'm sure, but I just got these off Amazon. I was looking for something else, and these came across. You know how you're looking for something and other things come across. Those came across, and I had this in mind. I was just waiting on the right hinges, and I just went into my wife's craft room and got these two right here, brought them out, boom, they work perfect. So another upgrade. Till the next time, guys, I'm out.